How's it going, guys? It's Nathan with Fresh Start Detailers. Today we have a 2019 Ford Expedition. It's going to be receiving a stage 2 paint correction, which is a heavy cut compound and a microfiber pad to knock down a lot of the heavier defects that this Expedition has. And then we're going to follow up with a finishing polish and pad to refine and add a ton of gloss to the vehicle. And then we're going to be installing our 4-year graphene ceramic coating. This is our full exterior ceramic, so it covers the windows, the rims, all painted surfaces. Our ceramic coating is a gloss ceramic, so it is going to add additional gloss and protection to the surface for the full 4 years. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nathan with Fresh Start Detailers, and we just got done paint correcting and ceramic coating this 2019 Ford Expedition. It had scratches and swirls and some paint chips that needed to be filled in. We're super excited that we're staying busy doing these ceramic coatings. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 210-701-0184. Thanks, guys.